Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to add a street address to your Facebook page. Let's walk through the steps to help you complete this task seamlessly. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, usually denoted by 3 horizontal lines, to access the main menu options. Scroll down within the menu and tap on Pages to view a list of pages associated with your account. Next, switch to your desired page by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen and selecting the page you wish to edit. Once on your page, tap your page's profile picture to access the page settings. Then, tap the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and next to Details, tap on the Edit option. From there, tap on Add Your Address, followed by Add Street. Enter your street address in the provided field and tap Save to confirm the changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a street address to your Facebook page, providing visitors with essential information about your location. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your page's visibility and accessibility on Facebook. Get ready to make your page more informative and user-friendly by adding a street address today. Welcome